Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Fidelity Crypto withdrawal process. Withdrawing your crypto from Fidelity is simple, but follow a few key steps. First, make sure your account has access to the withdrawal crypto features. Fidelity is still rolling this out to users. So once it's available, go to your crypto dashboard, choose the coin you want to withdraw, and add your external wallet address. For security, Fidelity makes a couple of days to verify that address before allowing transfer. After that, after the verification, enter the amount, double check the network details to confirm your withdrawal. Always ensure you are sending to the correct wallet, since crypto transfer can't be reversed. Also note that some account types like Fidelity Crypto IRA may not support withdrawal yet. So it's a secure step-by-step process designed for safety. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick crypto guide, and comment if you liked a full withdrawal walkthrough next in the video. And that's it.